We are finally back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're back with another video finally. And for this video, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial with all black-owned beauty products for the culture. So we're gonna have items, well, not items, but the products are going to be from places like Walgreens, Target, Sephora. So we have Fenty Beauty, Black Radiance, the lip bar, and then got lashes from Beauty. So let's get on to the video. So in this video, guys, I'm going to have to cheat a little bit because I don't have setting powder from a black-owned business, and I don't have primer, and I don't have setting spray. So that'll be the only non-black-owned business products I'll be using, but that's fine. We can still do this video. So we're gonna start with this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. All right, I got a little mini size because I'm just trying it out, and I like it. So when this is done, I'll be getting the bigger one. And I'm just looking at myself in the mirror, so that's all I'll be looking away. And I have a pimple right now, so like, ignore it. I don't have one of them cameras where it'll blur certain parts of me or the background, so you're gonna see everything well. So ignore my skin flaws. It's almost that time of the month. All right, so the Hydro Grip Primer, that word hydro, you definitely feel hydration. So that's a plus. Now, this Black Radiance foundation, I just, I had to eye it, picking the color. So the color is Nutmeg. This is actually gonna be my first time using it. I haven't tried it before this video, so let's see. That kind of looks like it's my color, right? We're gonna fingers crossed this, guys, because okay, so it looks like a little darker. It looks, but it still looks good. It look pretty good. Let's just put it all over. I kind of like this applicator. It's kind of cool. Oop. I might look a little tanner from this. Yeah, I really like how this looks, and it feels good. So I'm not even a foundation person, so that is saying a lot. So go get you some foundation from Black Radiance, from your local Target, Walgreens, whatever, because I'm impressed. So next, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm the color 370. Also, I got this concealer recently, so when I got matched with this color, they had to look at it on a little plastic. They just put on plastic and try to compare it to my skin. So I never really got to try it, but the lady did a pretty good job. I think the color works for me. At first I was iffy about it, but it works. So I do like this concealer, guys. So we're going in with the concealer after. And like I said already, it's Fenty Beauty. So this is everything blended up together, foundation, concealer. So after that, we're gonna go in with this Black Radiance foundation stick. I'm going to use it as contour, of course. You can see by the color, it is a lot darker. And the color is Cocoa Bean. I don't know if y'all want to see that, but that's what it looks like. I should have brought this closer too, but this is the Black Radiance foundation. This is the concealer I used. So now we're gonna put this contour on. It's gonna get them high parts of your cheekbone, you know. Do a little dab. And you're gonna wanna, you know, get that shape of your nose. And a little on the jawbone. And of course, my gigantic forehead. All right. And I'm just gonna use this to put it all together. So of course I have blush Black Radiance. I wasn't really hip to the blush game, you know, some months ago, but I am now. Just right here. Blush be doing something, you know. So this is the color Toasted Almond. And I love blush now because it just completes the look, you know, for us brown skinned girls. It just does it, you know. It puts a little warmth on the face, you know. It just, you know, I may be late to the party, but at least I made it to the party. Oh, how could I forget? I didn't set my, guys, I didn't set my concealer. So this is the cheat one I was talking about. This is Becca setting spray. I really like it because, you know, I used to use some white setting spray. I mean, why am I saying setting spray? Setting powder. I used to use, you know, your typical translucent powder. And thank God for the switch because this is my color and it just doesn't give you that white, you know what I mean, right? So, ooh, I'm gonna put some on my contour so it can look a little chiseled. And I really like to put on my forehead because my skin gets really oily, and especially on my forehead. So I use setting powder to, you know, block that oil. All right, there we go. There we go. This is looking. I'm trying to see how it looks. I feel like I look a little darker, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna see when I finish recording and watch this over again, but I'm hoping it's looking good so far. Next, we're gonna add a highlight. And this is Black Radiance again. And this is a liquid highlighter. And it's my first time using liquid highlighter. And I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. You know, I definitely prefer powder. Ooh, because, you know, once you just put this on, once it's on, it's stuck. It's up and stuck. So I try to use a little bit. And personally, I like using my hands to just dab it all over and spread it out. I mean, I feel like with the brush, it could just go everywhere. But with my finger, it just goes exactly where I need it to go. So, and I try to just keep it flat. I think I use more on this side than this side. Let's put a little bit more. And but the highlighter works, you know, it does its highlighting job for sure. I'm just gonna use a little bit under the brow, nose. Like that. And that. And just like that. So I'm pretty much done with the face. This is really the face so far. It's the face for me. Well, it's not the face for me yet. When I'm done, it'll be the face for me. But this is the face. And so what I'm thinking about for the eyes is I have this liquid eyeshadow lip bar. It's this red color. I could just put it on as it is, or I can use some brown to not contour, but to use some brown on my crease. I think that will give it a little, you know, little something, little something, little something. I'm gonna do that. Stay right there. Now I'm going to use that eyeshadow, that liquid eyeshadow. All right, now that I have these eyes done, I have lashes by Noir Beauty. Is a cosmetic company, and the owner does go to Howard, HU, you know. And so these lashes are hers. This is in the style Dior, and you know, I need lashes, so why not use these beautiful minks from a Black-owned business? All right, y'all, so we're at the end. I am pretty much done with this face. Just trying to get a little, okay. Pretty much done, and all I'm missing is my lips. So I have some options. So we got a brown Fenty Beauty lipstick that's matte. We have, okay, these two are from Lipbar, and one thing I can say about Lipbar is they are vegan products, so that is a plus. So we're gonna go with this. The name of the color is Miss Independent, like I am. So let's see. Okay, I think I'm gonna continue with this one to finish the look. Like a nice little nude brown. So yeah, guys, this is the look. Go get you some Black-owned beauty products. They're great. They're amazing. It looks good. So it'll look good on you. So go get that. Go do that. And thank you guys for watching this video. And I enjoy doing things like this. Getting all cute. So I'll see you on the next video. All right, peace.